Learning goals. Welcome to this learning session on stem cells, biology, and medical applications. In this course, we shall address Introduction to stem cells, types of stem cells, embryonic, types of stem cells, adult and plant, medical applications of embryonic stem cells, medical applications of adult stem cells, ethical considerations, and future directions. There will be a quiz at the end to test your knowledge. Introduction to stem cells. Stem cells are remarkable unspecialized cells with the unique ability to self-renew and differentiate into various specialized cell types. Unlike mature cells, which have a fixed function, stem cells remain undifferentiated until they receive specific signals to develop into particular cell lineages. This fundamental characteristic makes them crucial for growth, development, and tissue repair throughout an organism's life. In humans, for instance, stem cells are responsible for generating many of the specialized cells in the body, such as neurons, muscle cells, and blood cells. Once these cells differentiate, they typically lose the capacity to divide and produce other cell types. The continuous activity of stem cells ensures the replacement of damaged or old cells, maintaining tissue homeostasis. Types of stem cells. Embryonic. Embryonic stem cells are derived from embryos at a very early stage of development, typically when the embryo is just a few days old, and consists of about 8 to 16 cells. These cells are pluripotent, meaning they have the remarkable ability to differentiate into any cell type found in the human body, including those of the placenta and umbilical cord. This broad developmental potential makes them highly valuable for research and potential therapeutic applications. The pluripotency of embryonic stem cells allows them to form all three germ layers: the ectoderm, mesoderm, and endoderm. From these layers, every tissue and organ in the body develops. For example, the ectoderm gives rise to skin and nervous tissue, the mesoderm forms muscle and bone, and the endoderm develops into the lining of internal organs. This comprehensive developmental capacity is a key distinction from other stem cell types. This section explores the characteristics of adult and plant stem cells. We will examine their differentiation capabilities and locations within organisms. Adult stem cells are found in differentiated tissues throughout the body, such as bone marrow, skin, and the brain. Unlike embryonic stem cells, adult stem cells are multipotent, meaning they can only differentiate into a limited number of cell types within their specific tissue of origin. For example, hematopoietic stem cells in bone marrow can only produce various types of blood cells, not skin cells or neurons. Plants also possess stem cells, located in specialized regions called meristems, found at the tips of roots and shoots. These meristematic cells are totipotent, capable of dividing to produce any kind of plant cell, including those for leaves, stems, and flowers. This allows plants to grow continuously throughout their lives and regenerate damaged parts, a process gardeners often observe when pruning plants. Medical applications of embryonic stem cells. Embryonic stem cells hold immense promise for treating a wide range of debilitating diseases due to their pluripotency. Researchers are exploring their use in replacing or repairing damaged brain cells to alleviate symptoms of Parkinson's disease, a neurodegenerative disorder. Similarly, these cells are being investigated for replacing damaged cells in the retina to treat certain types of blindness, offering hope for restoring vision. Beyond direct transplantation, embryonic stem cells are invaluable for growing new tissues and organs in the laboratory. These lab-grown tissues can be used for drug testing, providing a more accurate model than animal testing, and potentially for transplants to replace diseased or damaged organs. The ability to generate patient-specific tissues could revolutionize regenerative medicine, reducing the need for organ donors and minimizing immune rejection. Medical applications of adult stem cells. Adult stem cells, particularly hematopoietic stem cells found in bone marrow, have been successfully used in clinical treatments for decades. They are primarily utilized in the treatment of leukemia and other blood disorders, where healthy stem cells are transplanted to replace diseased bone marrow. This procedure, known as a bone marrow transplant, has saved countless lives and is a well-established medical practice. Furthermore, adult stem cells offer the potential for growing new tissues that are genetically matched to the patient. This significantly reduces the risk of immune rejection, a major challenge in organ transplantation. For example, mesenchymal stem cells from a patient's own fat or bone marrow can be used to repair cartilage damage or regenerate bone, with ongoing clinical trials exploring these applications in orthopedics and cardiology. Ethical considerations and future directions. The use of embryonic stem cells raises significant ethical concerns for some individuals, primarily because their extraction involves the destruction of an early-stage embryo. This ethical debate centers on the moral status of the embryo and whether it has a right to life. These concerns have led to strict regulations and varying legal frameworks regarding embryonic stem cell research across different countries, influencing the pace and direction of scientific progress. In contrast, adult stem cell research generally faces fewer ethical objections as it does not involve the destruction of embryos. Moreover, using a patient's own adult stem cells for treatment eliminates the risk of immune rejection, a major advantage over embryonic stem cells. The development of induced pluripotent stem cells, iPSCs, which are adult cells reprogrammed to an embryonic-like state, offers a promising avenue to bypass ethical concerns while retaining the broad potential of pluripotency, representing a significant future direction in stem cell therapy. Summary. Well done. You have completed the course Stem Cells, Biology and Medical Applications. You should now be familiar with Introduction to Stem Cells, Types of Stem Cells Embryonic, Types of Stem Cells Adult and Plant, Medical Applications of Embryonic Stem Cells, Medical Applications of Adult Stem Cells, Ethical Considerations and Future Directions. Should you need to revisit any of the topics in this course, please use the menu at the bottom of the screen.